Hi kids, good morning and welcome back to our online class. So it's already the month of July and we will start a new lesson again. Okay, again, my name is Teacher Karen and I am your English teacher. Are you ready? Okay, yes, you are. Now you have, or you can see here, the different pictures of the kitchen or of kitchen utensils. Okay, so we will study about kitchen utensils. Okay, let's start. The structure or the question structure would be, what is it? Again, teacher will ask you, what is it? And you will answer me with, it is a blank, or it is an blank. All right, now let's go into the vocabulary words. Number 1, blender. Please repeat after me and say, blender. Again, teacher will ask you, what is it? You answer me with, it is a blender. Great. Okay, let's continue. Kettle. Kettle. What is it? It is a kettle. Again, it is a kettle. Great. Let's proceed. What is it? What is it? Answer, it is a toaster. It is a toaster. Great. This one, rice cooker. Rice cooker. What is it? It is a rice cooker. Next, stove. Stove. What is it? It is a stove. It is a stove. Great. Next, pan. Pan. What is it? It is a pan. It is a pan. Great. Pot. Pot. What is it? It is a pot. It is a pot. You're doing great. Next, microwave. Microwave. What is it? It is a microwave. It is a microwave. Great. Okay, we have some more. Knife. Knife. What is it? It is a knife. It is a knife. Okay. Cleaver. Cleaver. What is it? It is a cleaver. It is a cleaver. Chopping board, where you chop, 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 chop. Chopping board. Again, chopping board. Chopping board. Great. What is it? It is a chopping board. Again, it is a chopping board. Good job. Okay, you did really great in the vocabulary review. So now let's have a reading activity. Okay, let's read the sentences here. So we have 5 sentences and 5 pictures. Look, we have this 5 pictures that we studied earlier. Now, let's read each sentences describing the picture. Are you ready? Yes, we are. Or yes, I am. Okay. Number 1. Please repeat after me. It is a kettle. It is a kettle. Number 2. It is a blender. It is a blender. 3. It is a pot. It is a pot. 4. It is a pan. It is a pan. And 5. It is a knife. It is a knife. Again, number 1. What's this? Kettle. This is blender. This is pot. Pan. Knife. Okay, good job, kids. You did really well today. Okay, thank you so much for watching and see you again on the next video. Okay, enjoy